the shell. See, the seeds are inside. But this is not fresh,
No,
because when it's fresh, it's the same as the picture. See, that is fresh. When you get the seeds, the next process, first step, pick the bean. After pick the beans, break the shell, get the beans, and fermentation process. La fermentación es muy importante, very important, because in this process is the process where the beans absorb all the flavor, aroma, and the chocolate characteristics, acidity, or a little bitter in this process. Depend on the type of chocolate, takes different time, but here in Guatemala, we were on the criollo. Criollo takes between 3 or 5 days of the fermentation process. In this process, we use the wooden blocks. It's the same process everywhere, all over. It's the same process. You can see here the pictures, how we put the beans inside. The first day, the beans are fresh and the color is white color. After the 1 day fermentation, change color, purple.
Purple.
3 days is brown, and the aroma is like a liquor, very strong. So because it has a lot of sugar. 5 days is dark brown, and the slimy is soluble, and it's ready for the next process. The next process is the dry sun. See? They spray the beans at the dry patios, and they turn by hand. Okay? We have two different pictures. They need. And maybe have you visited a coffee farm? No. Two? See? It's the same process for the coffee. The people spray the beans at the sun. It's the same process. So the difference is here. In the cacao, some people build a large table roof and they cover with nylon. Because, if you remember, the cacao tree produces all the year, also when it's the raining season. It's not possible to dry at the patios. They use the table roof and they cover with nylon and take between 2 or 3 weeks max. It depends on weather.
Yeah.
So how to see when are dry? People take an sample and they shake it. If the sound is like as maracas, it's ready. Or sometimes they cut with a guillotine and they see the color inside. Look here, it's a purple, brown. When it's dark brown, that's it is hard. This is hard. It's very.
Do you have your machete?
No, not very difficult to break. If you wanna try a skin or break, you can. Okay. Yeah. Look the color. Look the color. So that is when it's dry. But when we roast them, it's very easy to skin off and it's very easy to break because the beans are crunch. See? Okay. After dry, is ready to put it in the bags and ready to export or put it in the warehouse. When it's an export, the consuming country make the final process, the roasting, skin off, grinder, get the paste, and to make the chocolate bar. Muy bien.